The best strategies for making money online. Many people today are looking for different ways to supplement their income to help them earn a living, and one of those ways is through making money online. If this has been something that is drawing you to take a closer look at, then the following video is just for you. Keep watching for solid tips on how you can go about making money online. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. If owning your own blog is a bit too time consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay per post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single task, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. As you can see from the above video, anyone can make money in the online world when they have a good idea and solid tips to follow. If you have been reluctant in the past to use the internet as a way to make money, you shouldn't have to worry any longer now that you watch this video. Keep studying this topic, and soon you will see how it is possible to make money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.